Dear students, welcome to my second class on Module 1, Laplace Transforms. In this lecture video, we're going to discuss about properties of Laplace transforms and the problems based on the properties of Laplace transforms. Properties of Laplace transforms. The first property is change of scale property. It is given by Laplace transform of f of at will be equal to 1 by a into f of s by a. The property number 2 is shifting rule. It is given by Laplace transform of e power at f of t will be equal to f of s minus a. Third one, Laplace transform of t power n f of t. This will be equal to minus 1 power n d power n by ds power n f of s. So in this one, if I replace n is equal to 1, I'll be getting Laplace transform of t f of t. It will be equal to minus f dash of s. The fourth one is Laplace transform of f of t by d. It is given by integral s to infinity f of s ds. Property number 5, Laplace transform of f dash of t. It is given by Laplace transform of df by dt. It is nothing but s into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. It will be equal to s into f of s minus f of 0. And the last property is Laplace transform of integral 0 to t f of t dt. It will be equal to 1 by s into Laplace transform of f of t. It will be equal to f of s by s. So now we will be discussing the problems based on these properties. Problems on properties of Laplace transform. First problem, find the Laplace transform of e power 2t into sine 4t minus 2 cos hyperbolic 3t. So here I am going to apply the shifting rule. So first we will be applying Laplace transform on both sides for the given equation and expanding that. Next we will be applying shifting rule. So Laplace transform of e power 2t sine 4t minus 2 cos hyperbolic 3t will be equal to Laplace transform of e power 2t into sine 4t minus Laplace transform of e power 2t into 2 cos hyperbolic 3t. So now in the first function I am going to choose f of t is equal to sine 4t. In the second function I am going to choose f of t is equal to cos hyperbolic 3t. Okay, now I am going to find the value of f of s. So by applying Laplace transform for this equation, we got f of s is equal to Laplace transform of sine 4t, and this will be equal to 4 by s square plus 4 square. So now I am going to incorporate this for the shifting rule. So Laplace transform of e for 2t into sine 4t will be equal to f of s minus 2, and we got the value of f of s is 4 by s square plus 4 square. So to find this f of s minus 2, I am going to convert all s in terms of s minus 2. So we got Laplace transform of e power 2t sine 4t will be equal to 4 by s minus 2 whole square plus 4 square. So now same thing from this function, choose f of t is equal to cos hyperbolic 3t, apply Laplace transform on both the sides. So we'll be getting s divided by s square minus 3 square. So we got Laplace transform of e power 2t, 2 cos hyperbolic 3t will be equal to 2 times of Laplace transform of e power 2t cos hyperbolic 3t. This will be equal to 2 into s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 whole square minus 3 square. Therefore, combining both to expand this, we got Laplace transform of e power 2t sine 4t minus 2 cos hyperbolic 3t will be equal to 4 by s minus 2 whole square plus 16 minus 2 times of s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square minus 5 is the required solution. Example number 2, find the Laplace transform of t into sine phi t. So here I am going to use the rule number 5. When n is equal to 1, we have to use this formula. So now first choose the function f of t. So in this function f of t will be sine phi t. So I am choosing f of t is equal to sine phi t. To find f of s, I am going to apply Laplace transform on both the sides here. So we got Laplace transform of sine phi t will be equal to 5 by s square plus 5 square is our f of s value. So now according to rule number 3, the Laplace transform of sine phi t when n is equal to 1 will be equal to minus d by ds of 5 by s square plus 5 square. So now after solving this equation with respect to x, we got 5 into 2s by s square plus 5 square whole square is the required solution. Example number 3, find the Laplace transform of sine 6t by t. So here I am going to use the fourth property. So first choose f of t is equal to sine 6t and find the value of f of s. So I'm choosing f of t is equal to sine 60. Applying Laplace transform on both the sides, we got f of s is equal to Laplace transform of sine 60. It will be equal to 6 by s square plus 6 square. Then now by applying rule number 4, we got Laplace transform of sine 60 by t will be equal to integral s to infinity Laplace transform of sine 60 ds, that is integral s to infinity 6 by s square plus 36 into ds, and this will be equal to tan inverse of s by 6 with the limit s to infinity. Applying the upper limit, we will be getting tan inverse infinity, it is pi by 2, and lower limit is tan inverse s by 6 only. So this will be equal to cot inverse s by 6 is the required solution. Example number 4. Find the Laplace transform of e power minus 60 minus e power minus 5t by t. So same thing here also I am going to use the rule number 5 to solve the problem. So first choose the function f of t here. The f of t will be e power minus 60 minus e power minus 5t. According to rule number 5, we have Laplace transform of e power minus 60 minus e power minus 5t by t will be equal to integral s to infinity Laplace transform of e power minus 60 minus e power minus 5t into ds. So expanding this, we got integral s to infinity 1 by s plus 6 minus 1 by s plus 5 into ds. So after integration, we will be getting log of s plus 6 minus log of s plus 5 with the limit s to infinity. By applying log a minus log b formula, we will be getting log of a by b form, that is log of s plus 6 by log of s plus 5 with the limit s to infinity. So applying upper limit, we got limit s tends to infinity log of s plus 6 by s plus 5 minus log of s plus 6 by log of s plus 5 for lower limit. So here taking s common factor and cancelling, we got log limit s tends to infinity log of 1 minus 6 by s plus 1 by 5 by s plus log of s plus 5 by s plus 6 we can write. So this will be equal to log 1 after applying the limit, and we know that log 1 is 0 plus log of s plus 5 by s plus 6. So we got the answer for Laplace transform of e power minus 60 minus e power minus 5t by t will be equal to log of s plus 5 by s plus 6 is the required solution. Next example, find the Laplace transform of e power minus t sine t by t. So here by applying shifting rule for the numerator, that is Laplace transform of e power minus t sine t, we got 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. So now to simplify this complete part, I am going to use the rule number 4, that is Laplace transform of e power minus t sine t by t will be equal to integral s to infinity Laplace transform of e power minus t sine t into ds. So after applying the Laplace transform, I am going to replace this value here, that is integral 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 into ds. This will be equal to tan inverse of s plus 1, the limit s to infinity. So cot inverse of s plus 1 we got after applying the limit. Thank you.